दादू का जादू कुछ अलग ही था। जब मैं 5 साल का था, दादू हमें विदेश मिलने आए। हम एक छोटे से वन में पेड़ों के बीच हाथ में हाथ डालकर चलते गए, कभी बाएं कभी दाएं। मुझे उन दिनों की बातें याद नहीं आती, मगर ऊंचे पत्तों के बीच में से सूरज की झलक और दादू के किस्सों में हंसी मजाक का नमक आज भी याद आता है, हंसाता है, रुलाता है। दादू का जादू कुछ अलग ही था। जब मैं 20 साल का था, मैं कॉलेज से उनको और बड़ी माँ को मिलने आया। मेरे बचपन के मनपसंद के मन को मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा समझ पाया। दादू जीवन के हर कोने में जोश ढूंढ पाते थे। दादू हर एक को साथ में लेकर ही आगे जाते थे। मैंने दादू की आत्मा में रचनात्मकता देखी, अपनी ही अविवेकी उनमें भी देखी। दादू तो मेरे ही थे, मगर उस सब से ज़्यादा ढेर सारी नेकी, ढेर सारी जवानी, ढेर सारा प्यार। उन्हें हम पर गर्व था, जीत हो या हार। दादू की याद आती रहती है बार बार। जब सूरज डूबता है तभी निकलते हैं स्टार। और वैसे भी दादू का जादू तो हमेशा से कुछ अलग ही था।
My childhood started with our family's closest Devan uncle. And as years rolled by, I got upgraded from his lap to his co pilot. Amazing memories of fun, flying, learning, and adventure with him. He will be always remembered in our memories. Miss you, uncle.
Nanu, I've had the most amount of fun with you, whether that be betting an ice cream on who wins the cricket match. And regardless of who wins, I always used to get that ice cream. Or whether that be after swimming lessons, you would take us to Masudpur Market, and me and Sarthak both got to choose a packet of chips and one drink after every swimming lesson. You always just taught me to keep having fun in life, keep celebrating it, keep smiling. It just taught me the best, to keep having masti.
How to live life fully and how to be zinda dil. That's what is my learning from Vinod Bhupaji. Love you, miss you.
My time with you was truly a joy throughout my life because you always wanted to make kids like me happy, whether it meant watching cricket together or spoiling us with ice cream. And even if that meant you got in trouble, it still made us happy. So we'll miss all the memories like that.
Bhupaji, I hope you're seeing this from above. I would remember you as a person who had zeal for everything in life and zest for life itself. Love you.
Vinu was my best friend and I could share anything with him. I could scold him, yell at him, do whatever and get away with it. I'm always going to miss him.
57 years of association abruptly ended on 25th December. It started as 20, 21 years old, roommates in the training academy with dreams and aspirations for the future being discussed. Vinod, I'll miss you on the turns and crossings ahead. Thank you for the faith and unflinching trust that we had in common. Thank you, dear friend.
Firstly, I thank you all for joining us in the prayer meeting. I would like to invite Wing Commander Lumba, who I very, very fondly called Puru Uncle, who was Papa's bestie. Puru Uncle, would you please say a few words for Papa?
सर्वशक्तिमते परमात्मने श्रीरामाय नमो सर्वशक्तिमते परमात्मने श्रीरामाय नमो. Hi friends. जीवन में सबसे मुश्किल काम होता है किसी अपने को श्रद्धांजलि देना और फिर उसको जो कि अपना सबसे प्रिय मित्र हो. यस फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं विंग कमांडर लूम्बा अपने प्यारे सदा खुश रहने वाले दोस्त विंग कमांडर विनोद राय देवगन को श्रद्धांजलि दे रहा हूँ. आंखें नम और गले से निकलने वाली आवाज़ पर असर तो होगा ही. Our association started in 1963 when we were in our early 20s. We joined at Air Force Station Coimbatore for our training to become Air Force officers in Flying Branch. Life started young bachelors, commissioned officers, pilot officer to wing commander. Then married life, Suman became his life partner. They blessed with daughter Payal, son Samir, daughter-in-law Priyanka, and grandees Kanishk, Akshat, Samarat, and Sarthak. What a successful life, my dear Vinod Devgan, you enjoyed. You always maintained the typical smile on your face, even when you pull your friend's leg like me. I remember visiting your Vinu's parental house at Bajpur, UP, to meet his parents. Father, Mr. Jaswant Rai Devgan, was chief engineer of a sugar cane factory. His mother, Padmavati, a very, very affectionate lady. Another memory, we, self, Vinu, Mangat, B.D. Sharma, on a motorcycle and a scooter, drove from Delhi to Rampur to meet Suman and her family, reaching late in the night and obviously returning to Delhi next day to catch up with our flight. Vinu, my dear Vinu, you lived your life like a king and also maintained this gesture and quality till end. Discharged from hospital, enjoyed soup, went to bed telling your wife, life partner Suman, just to relax and go to sleep. Not only that, his soft corner, his qualities, he told his attendant also to go to sleep as he himself was going to sleep. Alas, who knew this was his way to say goodbye to the world? A very peaceful departure and arrival in heaven to join his other course mates there. Friends, on behalf of our course, 95th Pilots and 33rd Navigators course, 9533 family, I pay homage and tribute to our great course mate V.R. Devgan. I received a number of messages from our course mates. R.I.P. Rest in peace, dear Vinu. Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Uncle. I would now request my mami, my pyari Sharda mami, who was very, very affectionate and who absolutely loved my father so much. I'll request mami to please come and say a few words.
विनोद, एक हस्ती, एक मस्ती, जिनके आने से महफिलें सच थी। रिश्ता कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता, बातों से छूटा तो आँखों में आ जाता है, और आँखों से छूटा तो यादों में रह जाता है। आप कहीं नहीं गए विनोद, हमारे आसपास हैं। आपको हम देखेंगे बच्चों के मुस्कुराते चेहरों में, चमकती आँखों में और शरारती आँखों में भी। आपकी नज़र एक शेर, किसी को उसके कद का अंदाज़ न था, किसी को उसकी कद का अंदाज़ न था। वो आसमां था पर सर झुकाए बैठा था। मेरी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि विनोद, जहाँ रहें बहुत शांति से रहें। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Sharda Mami. Thank you so much, Puru Uncle, for these beautiful tributes. Here are a few words in celebration of Dadu, Nanu, Papa, and of course my mama's Vinu. You know, he believed in living life to the fullest. Living every moment with that charismatic smile of his. And you know, he had this iconic word, and which we all family members knew, and I have to say it the way he used to say, Masti. That is what he would say. And you know, that word actually resonates with each of us so well. He seized every opportunity to help and be such a genuine friend to all. What was really amazing was his sense of compassion and empathy that was fueled by this unparalleled zest for life and for the lives of those around him. Be it our Mali Bhaiya, you know, the mother of that, you know, the guard Bhaiya, or, you know, the person who comes here to, you know, give us the vegetables. He knew all their names. And he was always there for everyone. And whether it's a surprise chai and samosa party for them while they were working, or just for anything, they knew, you know, he was always there for them. You know, we all affect people's lives. But he was one such rare person who truly impacted each and every one around us. His heartbeats were Samarth, Kanishk, Akshat, and Sarthak. Oh, you should have seen the gleam in his eyes when you took their name, when he spoke to them. He heard about all their accomplishments, their successes, and just that was his team. The grandkids were his team, and he absolutely loved, and through them, his legacy lives. As for me and Bhaiya, well, he taught us to rise up when we fell. He taught us to just enjoy the breeze, as we just rode our bikes, just led our lives. He taught us both to hit that shuttle so hard that it would go right at the back and land as hard as it can, and truly make us both, little Fauji's at heart. Of course, my brother has picked up a few of his traits, and I must tell you, Bhaiya says, when he's doing these Zoom meetings and he has to write, these notes, Bhaiya can't even comprehend half the time what he's written. And well, that comes from Papa. And I have to tell you, that was the joke in the house, that Papa's handwriting was like that ant who had a lot of shots and is nice and drunk, has fallen in an ink pot, and has started walking. So that was Papa's handwriting. And Papa wrote many hats on the sports field, playing tournaments for his university, for state, hockey, football, squash, carom, table tennis, cricket, of course, and badminton, where, of course, he won a lot of championships for the Air Force. He inspired Bhaiya to become the cricket captain team of XLRI, and of course ensured and made his daughter capable of becoming the games captain of the school, and ensured that she played a few interstate matches. My grandfather had played with the legendary Dhyan Chand, and when Papa's grandson Sarthak played hockey for Singapore, represented Singapore for hockey, Papa was so elated. For his best friend and his companion, his sumo. He was the strongest fan, critic, and the supporter of her musical journey. The old saying, I'm sure you all have heard, behind every successful man stands a woman, but in this case, there was the silent pillar, Papa, who stood behind whatever Mama has achieved today nationally as an accomplished singer of repute. I would end this by reciting a small poem. Do not stand at my grave and weep. I'm not there. I do not sleep. I'm 1,000 winds that blow. I'm the diamond glint on the snow. I'm the sunlight on ripened grain. I'm the gentle autumn rain. When you awaken in the morning hush, I'm the swift uplifting rush of quiet birds in circle flight. I'm the soft star that shines bright. Do not stand at my grave and cry, I'm not there. I did not die. Yes, he lives on in our hearts. I would request all of us to just have a minute of silence, and after which we'll just do 3 chants of Gayatri Mantra and end this prayer meeting with a Shanti Path. Thank you.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ देव शांति अंतरिक्ष शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापा शांतिरोषधया शांति वनस्पतया शांति विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्मा शांति सर्वगुण शांति शांतिरेव शांति सामा शांतिरेधि ॐ शांति 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 ॐ